Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to my channel. How are you? I hope my all friends are good. God bless you. Always be happy. So friends, in this video I am providing gorgeous and trendy ladies dresses. So don't skip this video. Watch the video start to end. These designs are so stunning and unique. I hope you all love these ideas. So viewers, share the video with your friends, family who want women dress designs. I really hope that they will these ideas. You know guys, different people have different ideas, and viewers, it's all amazing collection for them, and they will get new designs and new ideas related to women dresses. If you love this article, if you want more women dress design ideas, so like my video and subscribe my channel. Don't forget press the bell icon. Okay guys, its all dresses are very beautiful, and golden bodycon dress shimmery and huge the curves and accentuating your figures and with stunning silhouettes. And guys, everybody know that executes these dresses executes are radiance and glamorous aura, and making you feel like a true golden as you step into any events. The glistening golden fabric sketches the light, creating captivating and mesmerizing effects, and turn head wherever you go. Wear this the beautiful bodycon dress and sleek high heels, delicate the jewelry to create a show-stopping ensembles that execute elegance and sophistications. And its all designs are fitting designs of the dress enhance your beauty, highlighting your confidence and allure with every step you take. With its golden how these bodycon dress add a touch of luxury and opulence to any occasions, making you feel like epitome of grace and style. Please guys are very attending a glamorous evening, affairs or so special celebration. This golden bodycon dress is sure to make a statement and leave a lasting impression. Please subscribe.